EagleRidge Roofing, premier roofing services in Bountiful, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing is the premier roofing contractor in Bountiful, Utah, proudly serving the areas with zip codes 84010 and 84011. With decades of experience, we specialize in providing comprehensive roofing services for both residential and commercial properties, ensuring each project is completed with precision and top-tier craftsmanship. Our skilled technicians understand the local climate and building codes, which means we offer roofing solutions that are durable, compliant, and effective. From new installations to repairs and maintenance, we use high-quality materials sourced from industry-leading manufacturers, guaranteeing results that last. For residential roofing, EagleRidge provides new roof installations, roof repairs and maintenance, roof replacements, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installations and repairs, ice and water shield installations, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, and installation and maintenance of all types of shingles. We also offer siding installation and repairs, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking for energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial roofing, EagleRidge provides commercial roof installations and replacements, our peak protection plan for preventative maintenance, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, and roof coatings to extend roof life. Additionally, we provide soffits and fascia services, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge's dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction has made us a trusted choice for property owners in Bountiful. Whether you're dealing with storm damage, need a new roof, or want to enhance your existing roof, our expertise ensures lasting solutions. For more information or to schedule a service, call us at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com.